Welcome! Today we'll explore key city facilities and landmarks. Let's get started. Hospital. Hospital. A place for medical care. School. School, where children learn. Library. Library, a place to borrow books. Park. Park, a green area for recreation. Museum. Museum, a place to view exhibits. Shopping mall. Shopping mall, a large retail complex. Post office. Post office, where you send and receive mail. Bank. Bank, a place for financial transactions. Pharmacy. Pharmacy, a place to buy medicine. Supermarket. Supermarket, a store for groceries and essentials. Theatre. Theatre, a venue for performances. Gym. Gym, a place for exercise and fitness. Restaurant. Restaurant, a place to eat meals. Cafe. Cafe, a place to enjoy coffee and snacks. Police station. Police station, a place for law enforcement. Fire station. Fire station, a place for fire emergency services. City Hall. City Hall, the administrative center of a city. University. University, an institution for higher education. Cinema. Cinema, a place to watch movies. Gallery. Gallery, a place to view art. Zoo. Zoo. A facility for displaying animals. Aquarium. Aquarium. A place to see aquatic life. Airport. Airport. A facility for air travel. Train station. Train station. A place for train departures and arrivals. Bus station. Bus station. A place for bus services. Church. Church. A place for religious services used by Christians. Synagogue. Synagogue. A place for Jewish worship. Mosque. Mosque. A place for Muslim prayers. Funeral home. Funeral home. A place for funeral services. Embassy. Embassy. A diplomatic mission representing a country. Convention center. Convention center. A venue for conferences and events. Sports stadium. Sports stadium. A venue for sports events. Amusement park. Amusement park. A place with rides and attractions.
Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.